How to fix Instagram golden change photo. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So first thing you have to do is just go to the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps manager on your phone. After you go to the apps, right here on this page you will find many apps. As you can see, all what you have to do is click on Instagram. If you didn't find it, then go to the search bar here in the top and search for Instagram. And then all what you have to do on this page is just click on this option. It's called force stop. That's the first thing. And then all what you have to do is just go to the storage. After you go to the storage, now click here on clear cache and clear data. Now all what you have to do is just go to this open by default option and click here on always allow, and make sure to make it always allow like this. And after that, restart your phone, and congratulations, the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.